Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building the spreadsheet framework: task, start, duration, end, percent complete, and predecessors. Enter real start dates and use duration in days so formulas behave predictably. Once the table is created, convert it to an Excel table for autofill and consistent formatting. This makes formulas copy down automatically. Make sure to freeze the header row so you can scroll long task lists. This initial structure saves time and prevents errors when you add dependencies and Gantt visual. Now you wire the logic. Set end equals start plus duration 1 to reflect the last workday. For dependencies, use index/match or VLOOKUP to pull a predecessor's end, and then calculate start equals predecessor end plus 1 plus any lag. Once done, add helper columns for lag/lead and adjust start using IF to allow manual overrides. Make sure to include percent complete so you can shade partial bars. These formulas replicate project scheduling rules and keep dates in sync when tasks shift. Finish by visualizing the schedule. Build a stacked bar chart where the first series is start made transparent and the second is duration, producing a Gantt layout. Then overlay progress by adding a third series calculated as duration *% complete and format it with a contrasting color. Once done, hide helper columns and protect the sheet if needed. If things go wrong, check for circular references, wrong date formats, or a missing predecessor value. Those are the most common culprits to fix immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.